Okay, class. So, first, i-demonstrate ko sa inyo yung schematic wiring diagram of two-speed air conditioning um, using separate fan and running capacitor. So, first, as what we discussed yesterday, una natin gawin is yung ating motor compressor. Ating motor compressor. Motor compressor. So, ito yung tatlong terminals natin. We have our starting, common, and running. Then, ito, and dito naman yung terminals for our running capacitor. Kasi running capacitor man yung gagamitin natin in this schematic wiring diagram. So, running capacitor. So, next, gawin muna natin after this, yung connection from the common ng motor compressor, ko-connect natin siya sa ating overload protector. So, this means the overload protector. Overload protector. Then, after naman ito, i-connect natin ito siya sa ating thermostat. So, alam niyo naman kung paano yung thermostat natin, di ba? Thermostat. So, since two-speed lang yung gamit natin, so we only have the common, high, and low. So, eto, nakakonect yung isang thermostat, nakakonect siya sa common. Okay, common. So, we have our line 1. So, dahil ano lang ito siya, two-speed lang to siya, two-speed lang to siya. So, meron lang siya ulit high and low. High and low lang meron. Yung terminals ng high, terminals ng low. So, next, para hindi tayo mahilo, gawin natin yung terminals for our line 2 kasi may line 1 na tayo dito. Okay, line 1. Line 2 rather. Line 2. Okay, line 2. Oh, yan. May line 2 na tayo. So, next is gawin natin yung ating two-speed fan motor. Two-speed fan motor. Fan motor to siya dito. Fan motor. Again, ito, ano to siya? Selector switch siya. Then, gawin na natin yung ating first is saan nakakonect yung ating high. Okay, gawin natin na. So, first, we have our flow natin. Nandito yung flow natin. Terminals. So, yung low, andyan na yung low natin. Ang high, and yung common. Of course, yung common. Then, dito banda yung ating auxiliary. As what we discussed yesterday, ha? Recap na lang to, class. Recap na lang to. Okay? Then, na-connect din ito siya dito sa ating fan capacitor. Na-connect din ito siya sa ating fan capacitor. Dito, fan capacitor. Dito yung fan capacitor, ha? Fan capacitor. Okay, then yung fan capacitor is nakakonect na siya dito sa ating common. Then, ito na, yung high natin is i-connect natin to siya dito din sa high. Then, the low para sa low. Then, para magkaroon ng connection din yung ating fan capacitor is i-connect din natin ito siya sa ating line 2. Kung mag-wiring talaga kayo nito, may ano to siya dito, like, an additional wire. May additional wire to siya para i-connect natin to siya sa ating line 2. Okay. So, ganyan na. As what you can see, andyan na ang ating 2-speed air conditioning unit using separate fan and running capacitor. Andito na ang ating motor compressor, running capacitor, ang ating overload protector, thermostat, 2-speed selector switch which is common high and low lang. Andito naman ating fan capacitor, auxiliary, ang ating 2-speed fan motor, common high and low. Wala siya medium kasi 2-speed lang siya. And yung dalawang line natin which is yung line 1 and yung line 2. Okay class, so ang aking naman next i-demonstrate sa inyo is yung 3-speed air conditioning unit using dual capacitor. So first, again, is gawin muna natin ang ating motor compressor. So, ang ating terminals for motor compressor, the starting, common, and running. Same lang yan sila. Connection between them. Then, dito naman. So, dito, gagamit kasi tayo ng dual capacitor. So, sa dual capacitor, as what we discussed yesterday, mayroon siyang term, mayroon siyang common, and mayroon siyang fan. So, term, common, and fan. So, yung common natin is, i-connect natin to siya sa ating line 2. I-connect na natin para hindi tayo mahilo. Para hindi na din tayo mahilo, okay? Okay. Masama ang ating papel. Line 2. So, next, kagaya kanina, yung ating common, i-connect natin siya sa ating overload protector. Overload protector yan class, hindi nyo. Discuss na din namin natin ito last time. So, next, we have the thermostat. Alam nyo na yan, na ganito yung sign ng thermostat. Okay, thermostat na siya. Okay. So, again, i-connect natin to siya sa ating 3-speed selector switch. So, i-connect natin siya sa common. So, dito kasi 3-speed yung gamit niya. So, may medium siya dito. So, we have ito yung common, high, medium, and low. Again, may medium na siya kasi 3-speed na siya. Okay, we have the terminals each. So, next naman is dapat meron na gawin natin yung sa ating 3-speed naman siya. 3-speed fan motor. So, we have the 3-speed siya. So, meron siyang common, high, medium, and low. Okay, so meron siyang dito. Gawin muna natin yung mga ano niya. Pwede kayo mahilo, ganito lang gawin nyo. Okay, so next we have the okay. Then next, ito. Gagawin tayo dyan mamaya. Next, naka-connect dito. Kagaya kanina, dito ang ating auxiliary. Ang ating auxiliary is i-connect natin siya sa ating fan. Naka-connect siya sa ating fan, fan. Then, eto na mga ating, yung common dito sa taas, i-connect natin siya sa ating common. Bale, common into common siya. Ito capacitor to siya. And again, yung ating high, connect natin siya sa high din. Ang ating medium, sa medium din. Ang low, i-connect din natin sa ating low. Okay, so there we have it. We have the 3-speed air conditioning unit using dual capacitor. Okay, class. So, gawin naman natin next ang ating 2-speed air conditioning unit using dual capacitor. So, first, andito na ang ating motor compressor and yung 3 terminals niya, which are the starting, common, and the running. So, yung common ng ating compressor, again, nakakonect talaga to siya next sa ating overload protector. After the overload protector, i-connect naman natin siya sa ating thermostat. Then, yung thermostat naman natin is i-connect natin siya sa common ng selector switch. 2-speed lang yung gamit natin dito. So, we only have the common, high, and low. Wala siyang medium. So, we're using dual capacitor. Yung dual capacitor consists of 3 terminals to siya. So, pag 3 terminals yung motor compressor, dual capacitor siya. So, meron siyang term, common, and fan. So, 3 terminals siya. Okay? Then, dual capacitor. Dual capacitor. Yung common, dito nakakonect yung ating line 2. Always talaga to nakakonect dito yung line 2. Line 2. Then, next naman is gawin natin yung mga switch ng ating 2-speed fan motor. Fan motor. Okay, 2-speed fan motor. So, gawin natin, dahil 2-speed lang siya, meron lang siyang common, high, and low. So, dito nakakonect yung okay, then, dito muna. Okay, then, next naman is dito sa dito, nakakonect naman ang ating auxiliary. Nakakonect ang ating auxiliary na siya. Auxiliary to class, AUX. Auxiliary, stands for auxiliary. Then, terminals nitong common. Terminals ng high and terminals ng low. So, again, yung high is i-connect natin siya sa ating high beam. And ang low, i-connect din natin sa low. Okay. Then next, yung ating common is i-connect natin siya sa ating common din. Sa two terminals kasi meron yung common. So, yung isa for the line 2 and isa naman is for the common. Then, yung auxiliary naman natin is i-connect natin siya sa fan. So, there we have it, class, ang ating 2-speed air conditioning unit using dual capacitor. Diyan ang ating motor compressor, overload protector, thermostat, 2-speed selector switch, 2-speed fan motor, line 1, line 2, auxiliary, dual capacitor. Okay, class, so lastly, gawin natin ang ating 3-speed air conditioning unit using separate fan capacitor and running capacitor. So, again, andito ulit ang ating motor compressor. So, motor compressor, andito na yung ating 3 terminals which are the starting, common, and running. Again, nakakonect yung common natin is nakakonect siya sa ating overload protector. Then, nakakonect naman siya sa ating thermostat. Then, nextly, yung thermostat nakakonect siya sa common ng ating selector switch. 3-speed yung gamit natin. So, 3-speed selector switch. So, therefore, meron tayong common, high, medium, and low. Kasi 3-speed yung gamit natin. So, nakakonect dito sa baba is yung ating line 1. Line 1, and we have the terminals ng high, medium, and ng low. So, next naman is tapusin muna natin ito dito. Running capacitor yung gamit natin, ibig sabihin isa lang. Running capacitor. capacitor. So, meron siyang isa lang, isang terminals lang meron siya dito. Ayan. Pero dalawang saksakan to siya meron if makikita niyo in person. Okay? Then, connect naman to siya dito sa ating line 2. Line 2. Then, gawin naman natin dito ang ating So, meron naman siya dito yung ating 3-speed fan motor. 3-speed fan motor. So, dahil 3-speed yung gamit natin, again, we have the common, the high, and the medium, and low. So, meron siya dito. Okay. Then, terminals nila, don't forget that they're terminals. Then dito naman is always na-connect dito sa kanya is yung ating auxiliary. Then connect naman yung ating auxiliary is sa ating fan capacitor. Fan capacitor to siya, class. Fan capacitor to. Then, connect naman yung isang terminals ng fan yung isang terminals ng fan motor is naka-connect siya sa ating common. Bali, yung 2 terminals na naka-connect sa fan motor is yung from the auxiliary and the common. Then, bali, yung dalawang terminal sa fan motor, naka-connect dun si common, and may another wires din, additional wire to siya. Meron to siya additional wire. Kung mag-wiring talaga kayo, meron to siya additional wire na nakakonect siya from dito going to the line 2 para gumana yung ating fan motor, para may may electricity siya. So, okay, there we have it, class. Ay, not pa pala. Okay, I'm so sorry for almost forgot. No one's perfect. So, we have the connect natin ang ating high, ang ating medium, and ang ating low. Okay, finally, there we have it. So, andyan ang ating 3-speed air conditioning unit using separate fan capacitor and running capacitor. We have the motor compressor, overload protector, thermostat, 3-speed selector switch. We have the dual running capacitor rather. We have the line 2, the 3-speed fan motor, auxiliary, and the fan capacitor.